I'll miss you guys. Nutmeg, here I come.
Who wants pie? Who the hell wants some pie? Has anyone ever seen The Witness with Kelly McGillis and Harrison Ford? It's like having 6 bottles of Coca-Cola in one slice. After eating this pie, do not feel surprised if you feel the urge to do wind sprints for several hours. Be sure you don't try to cool this pie off in the windowsill, because someone might snatch it. I got this tip from Martha Stewart for some insider trading tips. Wink, wink. Thanks, Martha. The Amish like simple, life-affirming things like getting up at 2 a.m. I know people who eat pie at every meal. Breakfast, mid-morning meal, lunch, mid-afternoon meal, dinner, late dinner, midnight snack, 2 a.m. snack. It doesn't matter. They go through a pie a day. The Hoosier Pie from the great state of Indiana. You can make the outside of your pie crust look like the points on a crown, or the rays of sunshine coming out of a sugar sun.
Be careful with nutmeg. If ingested in large quantities, it can be hallucinogenic.